Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make butter using whipping cream. First, ensure your heavy whipping cream is very cold. About 1 pint is ideal. Pour the cold cream into a stand mixer bowl. Attach the whisk and begin beating the cream on medium-high speed. This initial step is crucial for developing the butter fat. Watch as the cream transforms through various stages, thickening and changing texture. Patience is key here. As you continue beating, the cream will first form soft peaks, then stiff peaks, just like when making whipped cream. Don't stop there. Keep mixing and the texture will change again, becoming grainy and slightly yellow. This indicates the butter fat is beginning to separate from the buttermilk. You'll notice a distinct shift in consistency and appearance. This is a critical phase where the butter truly starts to form. Soon, the butter fat will visibly clump together, forming a solid mass. At this point, the liquid buttermilk will separate from the butter solids. It's important to reduce your mixer speed to low as this separation occurs to prevent splashing. The buttermilk can be saved for baking or other recipes. You'll see a clear distinction between the pale yellow butter and the milky liquid. This is the moment of true transformation. Once the butter and buttermilk are separated, remove the butter from the mixer. Rinse the butter under cold water, pressing it to remove any remaining buttermilk until the water runs clear. This step is vital for shelf life. You can then add salt to taste, typically about 1/4 teaspoon per stick of butter. Form your butter into a block or sticks. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Store your homemade butter in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.